Hey, welcome back to RZ Easy Customizer. We build, we share, and we inspire. My name is Eizy, and this week I'm gonna share another tutorial on how to make a transformable tank using Bandai 30 Minutes Mission Plastic Model Kit. In this tutorial, I am using a standard 30 minutes mission Alto with a combination of this extended armament vehicle tank, brown in color. I only found brown in stock at HENG Trading. It is a local hobby shop here in Kuching, Sarawak. So for the first video, I am using one box of this tank unit. The upcoming video, I will share another tank design, but using two boxes of the same tank unit. So let's start by disassemble some parts from the Alto and also the entire parts from the tank. For the Alto, we don't need the feet. We remove the feet. We don't need this part. And then for the tank, you need to disassemble almost all the parts, because this is Partsformer transformation, so you only need some parts from the tank. And then this part here, and this front tank tracks, and then this piece at the top here, you need to remove this one too, and down here, and also at the top here. Next is this huge tank tracks, number 1 and then number 2, and then the rest of the parts here, like this, and there we go. We don't need this part and these parts too, and also these parts too. Next is to make a new fit for the Alto, just like the standard what it says in the manual of the tank. This is become a new fit for the Alto, and we're gonna make a new backpack. And let's put this part at the back like this, and then using the spare runners, just find the 3mm runner so you can make a new pack at the back, and find the second part of this one here to make an extend backpack. Let's put this runner right in, and then put this one at the back like this. There we go. And then next is get this huge tank tracks and put these two at the back like this. There we go. We have the backpack for the Alto, and the next step is to find another, or to cut another spare runner, the 3mm runner, and put this one like this. There's a hole here. And then for the weapon, you need to remove this piece down here, and then get another spare runner, slide this one like this, and then get this part till you can make something like this. And you need to cut that one a little bit, that, and this will become the main weapon for this Alto. So this is the standard design in the fighter mode. So to transform this Alto into a tank, you need to remove all the parts, including the backpack, the feet, even the tank tracks, and the weapon. This backpack, And then the first step you need to do is the shoulder part. Make it like this. Reposition everything and get this part here, but before that you need to remove this front chest piece. Get this part. There's a hole on the shoulder there, so you can put this one like that. There we go. And the next step is another part at the bottom here, just to cover up the head till you get something like this. This is the rear view of the tank, and for the hand you need to rotate the hand, and same goes with the other side here, and reposition everything. And next is the legs. You need to bend the legs like this, so this will become the man body position for the tank mode. There we go. And then for the tank tracks, this is the big one. Remove this part here, and then you see there's another hole there, and plug this one back in, so you can make another tank tracks at the front. Just use the spare runner, slide this one in, and then put this one inside the hole at the front. Slide this one in. There we have our new tank tracks. Make another one, so you have two. And then find this part, put it here, and get the man body back. You see there's a hole down here, just slide this one in. And then for the legs, you can connect this one like this. It perfectly fit and also in the right position. Make another one, and you have the base of the tank. Next is the man weapon. You simply slide this one in like this. And finally we have the tank mode using a one single tank of the armament vehicle unit of 30 minutes mission. So that's all the tutorial on how to make a transformable tank using 30 minutes mission plastic model kit. Remember, this is my first tank design. I have another tank design that I will share to you guys soon, a bit different from this one here. So remember to subscribe my channel, hit that like button, and also support my Facebook page as well. I see you guys next time. That's all the video for today. I hope you guys enjoy watching it, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, hit that like button, leave a comment down below, and also share my contents. You guys can also check out my Facebook page as well, RZ Easy Customizer. The links are in description down below. I do customizing, I do kit bashing, a lot of stuff with plastic model kit. Thank you very much for watching this video here on RZ Easy Customizer. We build, we share, and we're inspired. So that's all for me today. Check out. Bye.